Hidden behind extraordinary security is one of the world's rarest state vehicles.
Unlike mass-produced luxury sedans, only a handful of Century Royals have ever been built. Every vehicle...
We need to reinforce the chassis rigidity around the rear arch.
The analysis confirms the load, but we can optimize the material thickness here for better weight distribution.
It all starts with premium automotive steel. Massive coils weighing several tons arrive at the factory, ready to become the back. Before production begins, every batch undergoes laboratory analysis. Engineers verify thickness, strength, and chemical composition to ensure absolute consistency. Only approved material moves forward. Automated cranes feed the steel into computer-controlled blanking machines that cut each sheet with millimeter-level accuracy. Here's where things get interesting. Those flat sheets are transformed into complex body panels using hydraulic presses capable of delivering thousands of tons of force. Each press stroke lasts only seconds, yet produces shapes that would be impossible to create by hand. Precision here determines how perfectly every panel fits later. Freshly formed panels are scanned by laser measurement systems. Even tiny deviations smaller than a fraction of a millimeter are immediately detected. Approved panels continue into the body shop, where dozens of industrial robots begin assembling the vehicle's structural frame with remarkable synchronization. Thousands of spot welds permanently join the structure together. Every weld is monitored electronically to guarantee identical strength across the entire chassis. But this isn't an ordinary luxury sedan. Additional reinforcement is carefully integrated into critical sections to extra strength steel is added around the passenger compartment, increasing rigidity while providing the foundation for later armored components. Every reinforcement must align perfectly. Even a slight error could affect door operation, suspension geometry, or long-term durability. Meanwhile, another team prepares the suspension. Because extra protection adds significant weight, the chassis must be engineered to maintain exceptional ride comfort. Each suspension component is tested before installation, ensuring it can support the limousine's increased mass while preserving Toyota's renowned refinement. The next stage is even more impressive. Every body cavity receives advanced corrosion protection designed to preserve the vehicle for decades. An electrically charged coating reaches areas that traditional paint simply cannot, protecting even the hidden interior sections of the body. Now the foundation is complete, but the transformation into Japan's imperial limousine is only beginning. With the corrosion-resistant body complete, the armoring process begins. Unlike ordinary vehicles, protection is integrated into each ballistic steel panel is CNC machined to match the limousine's exact contours. Every opening must remain perfectly aligned for future assembly.
Because armored steel is far harder than conventional automotive metal, specialized carbide tooling is used to achieve an exceptionally clean finish.
Each completed panel is individually identified and digitally tracked. Nothing is interchangeable, ensuring every piece returns to its exact location during assembly. Now comes one of the most demanding tasks, fitting the armored passenger capsule. Even a gap of a few millimeters could compromise structural precision. Rather than relying on bolts alone, the reinforced sections are permanently integrated using high-strength structural welding and aerospace-grade adhesives. Here's where things become even more impressive. The doors receive their own armored cores, dramatically increasing both strength and weight.
Sequence complete. All indicators green.
Excellent work. The alignment is perfect.
Every hinge bolt is tightened using digitally calibrated tools that record the exact torque applied to every fastener.
Protection isn't limited to the sides. Reinforced floor sections are carefully installed to increase structural resilience beneath the passenger cabin.
Multiple overlapping layers create continuous protection while preserving the limousine's refined ride characteristics.
Unlike conventional automotive glass, these transparent panels consist of multiple bonded layers of specialized glass and advanced polymers.
The finished windows are exceptionally thick and remarkably heavy, requiring reinforced regulators engineered specifically for this limousine.
Once installed, every window is cycled repeatedly to verify smooth operation despite its substantial weight.
Every rotating component is dynamically balanced before final assembly, reducing vibration and delivering the exceptionally smooth performance. The heart of the Century Royal is finally ready. But the next stage transforms individual systems into a complete automobile. Now comes one of the factory's most satisfying moments. The completed powertrain is carefully aligned beneath the reinforced body for the vehicle's final marriage. Next, the drivetrain is connected. A precision-balanced driveshaft transfers power smoothly to the rear wheels, ensuring quiet and effortless performance.
Every hydraulic brake line is pressure tested before fluid is added. Even microscopic leaks are unacceptable in a state vehicle. The fuel system is installed next, with reinforced fuel lines and carefully protected routing beneath the vehicle.
Each connector is color-coded and electronically verified, dramatically reducing the possibility of assembly errors.
Here's where craftsmanship replaces automation. Skilled artisans begin creating the elegant interior that defines the Century Royal. Every stitch is inspected by hand. Unlike high-volume production, perfection here matters more than speed. Rare wood veneers are carefully selected for matching grain patterns, creating a continuous flow across the dashboard and door panels. Now the luxurious rear cabin begins taking shape. Every seat is positioned for maximum comfort during official ceremonies and long state journeys. Premium carpeting, acoustic insulation, and vibration-damping materials are added layer by layer, creating an exceptionally quiet interior. The cabin receives its final details, from handcrafted trim pieces to precision-fitted headliners, all installed by experienced specialists. Attention now turns outside. Multiple coats of premium paint are applied inside a dust-free environment, producing an exceptionally deep and flawless finish. After painting, the body enters temperature-controlled curing ovens, where the finish hardens into a durable, protective surface. The Century Royal finally looks complete, but appearances alone aren't enough. The most demanding quality inspections and performance tests are about to begin. Every Century Royal begins its final evaluation with a complete digital diagnostic scan.
Next comes wheel alignment, computer and laser equipment.
Now every exterior light, camera, sensor, and electrical accessory is tested one by one. No function is too small to inspect.
The cabin is transformed into a sound laboratory. Sensitive microphones measure your noise level, the exceptional silence.
Even the smallest air leak can create unwanted noise. Automated equipment checks every door, window, and seal for perfect airtightness.
Here's where craftsmanship meets reality. The completed limousine enters a simulated rainstorm, where thousands of liters of water test every seal from every angle. After the water test, inspectors examine every compartment. Even a single drop inside the cabin would require immediate correction. The next stage is dynamic testing. Professional drivers take the limousine onto Toyota's proving grounds to evaluate acceleration,
different road surfaces, including smooth pavement, rough asphalt, and uneven cobblestones, help engineers fine-tune comfort and stability. High-speed emergency braking confirms that the upgraded braking system performs consistently despite the vehicle's increased weight.
Every completed vehicle is then returned to the inspection hall for one final visual examination under brilliant white lighting. The body finish is measured electronically to verify paint thickness remains uniform across every panel. Attention now shifts to presentation. The exterior is hand-polished once more before every fingerprint and dust particle is carefully removed. Custom protective covers shield the seats, carpets, and exterior surfaces during final transportation, preserving the limousine in factory-perfect condition. Unlike mass-produced automobiles, delivery is handled with extraordinary care. The completed Century Royal is from raw steel to an imperial state limousine. Thousands of precision operations and countless hours of expert craftsmanship come together in one extraordinary machine.
Excellence. The Toyota Century Royal represents far more than luxury. It reflects Japan's dedication to precision engineering.